Number 2 on my list of 14 strategies to accelerate your recovery is to clear trauma. I've been studying rapid resolution therapy and clinical hypnosis since I was a teenager. I had the privilege and the magical encounter with the founder at that time. So for 28 years I've worked with lots of folks to clear lots of traumas. I've cleared violent rape, I've cleared attempted murder, I've cleared snake trauma, I've cleared alcoholic trauma, addiction trauma, incest trauma, marital trauma, abandonment trauma, war trauma. The list goes on and on. So find a way to clear the trauma from your past so that your unconscious mind will not continue to send protection sensations like chronic pain or anxiety or gastric symptoms or obsessive compulsive symptoms or depression or panic attacks. These kind of sensations are often simply a protection sensation or a protection signal sent from unconscious mind to protect you from that trauma in the past, because unconscious doesn't process time. It believes that something happened to you. If something happened to you when you were 5 or when you were 15, it still believes that that's happening, and in many cases. So in order to clear that, it's essential to find a practitioner or find a practice that will allow unconscious mind to really get it, that that's over, that it's past, that it's history, that you've conquered it, and that you're past it, you're through it, you survived it, you're alive, you're here. I have a number of techniques that do that, and they're all, most of them are under the aegis or under this in the spectrum of rapid resolution therapy or RRT practice. So when I work with clients, one of the first things I do is to clear those traumas, to go back and make sure that those traumas no longer have energy. And when I release the energy from those traumas, then that energy immediately is available for healing and available for recovery. So again, number 2 on the list, clear the traumas. Sometimes there aren't any traumas, but on a journey, especially with something like I had with neuroplastic pain, with chronic pain, the traumas are ongoing on that journey. The medical traumas of having multiple procedures, of having medications with side effects, of losing family members, of losing friends, partners, all that stuff is traumatic. So it's really good, if you're not an expert at recognizing when a trauma comes up and moving through it, feeling those emotions and moving through it, so you really allow unconscious mind to know that it's done, that it's over, then it's great to find a practitioner who can walk with you through that and get that stuff cleared up. Because once you get it cleared up, that energy is fuel for your recovery. If you need help with that, reach out. healingwolfcoaching.com. I have a new newsletter, and I am happy to get on a Zoom call with you for a consult call, hear about what's been happening with you, and then give you an outline of how we'll deal with that together.